Guess I gotta wait a minute to take my shit.
Yeah, we don't want to be floating around with that.
Okay, wait, you can do it at the same time.
I was getting ready to.
Multitasking.
Line. Come here. Slowly lift up, just slow. So wind down a bit. And lift over my head just slow. Keep going, wind down. Now lift again. That's a big coho. That is a
Oh, look at that.
Okay, pull some line out. Pull some line out of the reel. Behind you on the shelf. That is a nice fish. There's one on that one. Jeff, hurry up, he's running. Woohoo! Still there? Yeah. Okay, stand in the middle. Easier said than done, isn't it? Fucking gonna fall in. Where'd he go?
Where do you go? How are we getting back?
Slowly lift over my head. Just that way. Slow. Now come this way. Lift up. Oh, lift dry for you. I can't have to reach in midair. Just lift straight up. Oh. Yeah, good. There's a fish. Hurry up. Hurry. Woo-hoo! Come over my head this side. If you can. Slowly lift up.
What do you want to run for a lure on this?
I mean, I could cast that out, but I think the chances are really slim.
Tiny. Too short.
Too short.
Got the hook, it's still in the downrigger. There. Down in the middle. That's an ugly humpy. Come on. Oh, the downrigger.
Was it?
I'm not sure. Nope. Still in the downrigger. That's all good. Oh, that one. There's one. Nice. He's running already? Yep. Like I said, yeah, you got her now. Feel him running, just. You might have to. I'm not sure where you're at. You can just come this side. gotta go up and over, up and over, up and over, go over the next rod. Okay, wait. Now pull him this way. He's over. He's over. Let him run. Pull him. That's a big fish. Danny, get him. Get it, still the holder. Still there?
I don't know. It feels pretty light. Here's a little stuff.
Manny.
Hey, he's gone.
They'll be coming right at you.
No, got grass.
Oh, shit. There's one. He's in the clip. He's on the clip already. There you go.
Oh, fucking gone.
Oh. Whew. All right. Fuck, that didn't seem like it was very deep. 30 feet. Oh, you got one, Jeff. Hurry up. He's already out of the clip. Just start winding him. I'm gonna get him back down. Oh, that fucking sucked. That's gotta be tangled. Lift over my head. Lift up. You gotta come over here. Yeah, I just stuck on that. Yeah, you gotta bring her up this way. There you go. That's another massive pink. Nice pink. This one here. Still there?
Oh no.
Oh, a little one. Like a hairy.
Monster.
Probably a baby Chinook. Yep, baby Chinook. I'm gonna pull the throttle back just a teeny tiny bit. Yep, right there. You want that? Yep. Coming your way. Lift up. He's under the boat. I can't get him, he's under the boat. Shit. Get him out of there. There he comes. Slowly pull that way. I gotta get my net in here. That's another big fucking hog. All the fat ass is to one side, eh? Oh!
Oh my god.
That was a good shit.
Oh, man!
That's like a hit in the outdoors, eh?
Woo! Oh, boy, that was epic. Oh, I feel so much better again. Oh, fuck that fuck.
Woo-wee. Woo.
Oh,
Peace.
man.
Come on, Scotty, what's going on down here?
Oh, Go on the downrigger. Keep going. There you go. You pull that way. Pull your rod that way a bit. Keep going. There you go.
Right here. Watch this.
Say you want to turn that way a bit? Fuck. Keep going.
I don't want to pull.
Manny. Still the downrigger? Still.
Yeah.
Go hard. Still the downrigger. You're coming up the downrigger.
Oh, all right, nice one.
Sure. Oh, don't step off. Just let him run. What it is, kind of keep us. Don't go through the kelp that's right on the right. Just kind of almost straight. Once the pull, just kind of let go of the reel. Yeah. There you go. Lift up a bit. Slowly lift up.
I gotta stay on my feet.
Yeah. Now wind, yeah. That's a big fish, Manny. Manny. He's on. Get one. Is he still on the downrigger clip?
I think so.
You gotta get him out. There you go.